Good morning. It's a beautiful day today. We are here at the beautiful village of Mustang, situated at an elevation of 3,800 meters. So now it's currently 8 a.m. and today we are exploring. We are gaining some elevation and going to the Korala Pass, which is situated at 4,600 meters. So it's going to be a scenic ride. It's going to be a beautiful journey. So let's get started. All right. So currently we are at this ancient old town of Mustang. It's a Buddhist town. It's I would say a Tibetan village in Nepal. You can see we have a lot of churtans, Buddhist stupas. And this place is located in a very surreal location. It's a Tibetan plateau. And the landscape here is out of this world. So as you can see, there are some forts, some palaces on the hilltop we can explore. There is also a hot spring, a natural hot spring in here. That's something that we're going to explore in our next visit to Upper Mustang. This visit was mostly for the TZ festival, which was outstanding. The performance, the dance performance, wow. It brought us back in time. Thousands of years old culture and tradition. So as you can see, we have some vehicles, jeeps, four-wheel drive vehicle. I think they are also heading towards the Korala Pass. There's a lot of tourists due to the festival. Take a look at these houses, the idyllic rural landscape. And speaking of the road, I would say it's much better than the road we drove in Manang. It's a perfect off-road. It's a very enjoyable. And this is actually the highway that leads all the way to the Korala Pass, which is a border between Nepal and Tibet. All right. I think we need to overtake these vehicles. We don't want to be left behind in the dust. All right, let's take it easy, let's take it slow. You can see there's a lot of sand and dust in the road. Take a look at this. And this motorcycle has been performing fantastic. This is a Ducati Desert Sled, our beloved little Ducati. And I think this is the first time a Ducati is in this Mustang town, and the very first time it's going to be in Korala Pass as well, so it's quite exciting. So we have now entered the valley of Chosar, and this valley is famous for caves that are more than 3,000 years old, and it has a very historical significance. Surrounding us we can see a lot of fortress, ruins, ancient palace. So Korala Pass is about 19 kilometers from Lumantang. It's not far away. As you can see, this is the road, this is the section leading all the way. There are some bridges that are being built. Last time we came here, this was under construction. So this is going to be a major highway in Nepal, actually, connecting Tibet with Nepal. So you can see all those cliff, the rocks, the sandstone cliff. These are all like there are caves, ancient old caves. You can see that. There's Buddhist stupas, ancient cliffs. Mustang has so much to offer. So if we cross this bridge, go to the other side, we can go to the Chosar Cave, also known as the Chong Cave. There's a lot of cave, and this road will lead all the way to the Korala Pass. So you can see it's a beautiful gravel terrain, perfect for riding. Beautiful. Something that I noticed, something that we notice in Mustang is that all of these rocks, these hills, they have unique color, vibrant color, the colors of rainbow. So now we're climbing elevation. So this is the road that leads all the way to the pass. So we're climbing this high mountain pass. As you can see, we are surrounded by huge mountains. Some of them are snow-capped. And it's a fun ride. Take a look at it. Climbing up the mountain pass. And down below is the valley of Chosar. Beautiful day for the ride. See, we are gaining elevation with every bend, every turn as we climb up this pass. It's getting cold, the air is getting thin, but nonetheless, it's an adventurous, joyful ride. Take a look at this scenery that we have. The valley of Chosar and the Lumantang. Beautiful road. My wife is doing all the hard work. So we are currently at an elevation of about 4,300 meters. On top of that hill is the Korala Pass. Once we cross that pass, it's just a flat Tibetan plateau. It's a beautiful, beautiful scenic location. High mountains, the Himalayas. Fun fact, the Himalayas are behind us now. It's on the south. And on the north is the vast land of Tibet. Beautiful. Down below we can see the windy roads of the pass. Wow. Look at this. I think I'm going to go up that hill. Let's explore this uncharted territory. Let's go up that hill. Oh, there are some birds. Wow. Beautiful. Take a look at this. I think we're gonna stop here, enjoy our time here. Ooh. So currently we are at an elevation of 4,660 meters. You can see we have reached the flatlands, the high mountain plateau, the Tibetan plateau, and here we can see some Himalayan ranges. On the other side is Tibet, the vast land of Tibet. If you're visiting Mustang, don't miss out on an epic adventure on Upper Mustang. Right? Now, I'm gonna have some fun time over here and then go towards the Korala Border. Can go round and round, round and round. I shouldn't speed up because my wife is going to scold. my wife will get mad, but I cannot resist. Like, this is so much fun. There you go. Alright, let's get going. I had fun. So we are very close to the border now. There you can see the buildings. And on the other side is Tibet. Here, this is Nepal. This is known as the Korala Border, situated at 4,660 meters of elevation. We are truly driving on the roof of the world now. Last year we drove across Tibet on the other side. I'm pretty sure that road is some 50-60 kilometers ahead of this border. That leads all the way to Sigatse and Lhasa. So yeah. Welcome to Korala Border. We are at the border pillar, as you can see. We have some local Nepali shops in here, and we're surrounded by high mountains. So welcome to the border.
ल त हालिदिनु है।
Nepal 360
हजुर
तपाईहरुको युट्युबको नाम
हजुर हेर्नु है
हुन्छ म हेर्छु
हामीले पहिला पनि अप्पर मुस्ताङको भिडियो बनाएको थियौँ
ए नेपाल
यो पालि पनि बनाउँछौँ
ल खाने चाहिँ हाम्रो ड्रिम थियो पुरा भयो त्यसको लागि
थ्याङ्क यू
थ्यांक यू
मिठो चिया बनाउँदै चियर्स
ब्याकग्राउन्डमा टिबेटन म्युजिक छ
यस
Tibetan music
We are now at Tasi Khaja Ghar. चिया नास्ता र खाना पाइन्छ साथै चाइनिज सामान पनि पाइन्छ यहाँ नमस्ते र स्वागत छ कोरला बोर्डरमा वेलकम तासी डेले जोजोलपा from an elevation of 4,600 meters having coffee at this beautiful location. Warm sun shining. It's quite cold here, but nevertheless a very beautiful location. So anyway, cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers. Thank you for watching our video till the very end. And with that being said, we would like to end this video. Cheers. Tasidele. Namaste. Jojolopa. See you soon. Bye-bye. Mua đường này áo nhỉ? Ngật lá.